Are you planning a party that knocks it out of the park? Whether it's for a birthday, graduation, team victory, or just because you love the game, a baseball-themed party is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. But how do you take your celebration from average to all-star status? In this video, I'm sharing 10 game-winning baseball party decor ideas that will turn your event into a total home run. And stick around till the end, because I'll reveal one design trick that brings your baseball theme to life with almost no effort.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the best color theme for a baseball party? The easiest way to make your baseball party feel cohesive is by locking in your colors. Think classic baseball vibes with red, white, and navy. If you're celebrating a specific team, incorporate their team colors. You can even mix in green to mimic the feel of a baseball field. Coordinating balloons, tableware, and signs in your chosen palette will tie everything together beautifully. Love starting with a color theme? Like this video and share it with someone throwing a baseball bash. How can I create an eye-catching party entrance? First impressions count. Welcome your guests with a giant baseball arch made of red, white, and blue balloons. Place a DIY "Welcome to the ballpark" sign near the entrance or a chalkboard with your custom game day message. Add turf-style rugs and bat props near the door to instantly set the scene. Want more entrance ideas? Check the description for my favorite baseball-themed welcome decor. What are the best baseball centerpieces for tables? Centerpieces bring the whole theme to the table. Literally. Fill mason jars or tin buckets with baseballs, mini bats, and pinwheels in your party colors. Add in a few flags or number signs to mimic player jerseys. If you want to add freshness, combine your baseball items with small floral arrangements or greenery. Which centerpiece idea would your MVP love most? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. What's the best way to decorate with balloons for a baseball theme? Balloons add festive flair fast. Create balloon bouquets using red, white, and navy latex balloons, paired with baseball printed mylar balloons. Make balloon columns with baseball toppers, or form a full arch over the dessert table or entrance. You can even attach small baseball cutouts to helium balloons for floating fun. Love balloon decor? Subscribe now for more party styling ideas like this one. How can I set up the ultimate concession table? A concession-style snack table will be your party's grand slam. Use striped red and white tablecloths and display snacks in popcorn boxes, baskets, and hot dog trays. Label everything with playful signs like Pop Fly Popcorn, Home Run Hot Dogs, and Strikeout Sweets. Decorate with mini scoreboards and pennant banners. Planning to set one up? Check the description for links to all the items I used in my concession station. These 10 baseball party decor ideas will make your event unforgettable and full of fun. Whether it's a kid's birthday, a championship win, or just a weekend hangout, your celebration will be a total grand slam. Which idea are you most excited to use? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all the product links, printables, and inspiration to bring your baseball party to life.